Yellow, 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 yellow. Good morning and wait. It's a pretty morning. I mean, obviously from here we can't see sunrise. So on the other side of it, there is temple. So it's 7 o'clock. We need to be there. We need to be there in the scuba diving place. We need to sign some documents, submit our documents or something like that. For the first time we're doing so. Let's see. Everyone are ready, so we'll check out from this place, and we probably keep our bags here only. Like on the reception, we'll keep our bags, and yeah, that's our plan. And let's see. Good morning. Let's go. Let's go. Hood. Yeah, let's leaving from here. Good step. Hey, key. Adi, key. So yesterday we forgot to give that plate. Huh? ಯಾವ ಶೆಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹಂಗ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯಾ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ boys on duty. Yep, we're done with the yeah, so we filled all the forms. I'm really hungry now, but so that's the place. There is Guru. Now we are waiting for our medical checkup. They'll do some medical checks, like basic ones. They filled out a very big form, like you have to literally mention everything what happened in past 5 years. So yeah, let's see. Now we'll go inside and do the medical checkup once. Then update you guys. So yeah, we are leaving from here. All set, and we had breakfast also. चलो भैया हमें लेके जा रहे हैं, taking us somewhere we don't know, to the unknown. Let's see. We're literally taking small stuff because there's very high chance that we won't find anything in the boat. I'm not sure, so we took ORS. Yeah, this is what we have here. What is this?
Sandwich.
One sandwich, like not at all healthy. Okay, one musumbi,
Very healthy.
one biscuit, and what is that? Okay, yeah, again like very healthy things. I think namdu ORS one day healthy gate. We got one ORS and that's the only thing we have. And so that's the temple. Hey, ಏನು ಬೇಟ
3500 ಕೊಡ
500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. You don't have anything to give to him, by the way. So this is the other side, and see, last time yesterday we were on the other side and today on this side. That is the one, Scuba Guru. Chalo,
Alpha Guru.
let's see.
Alpenlebe.
That's a boat, I guess. Excited? Huh? Excited?
Yes.
ಹೇಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು? ರಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ?
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್.
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
He's working in a project where he has to work till 11 o'clock in the night. So yeah, there you have. So apparently we can't take our slippers or whatever, first copy Crocs, anything. We need to keep it there. So
ಇದೇ ಆದರೆ ಚೈ ಅನ್ನತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕವರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅದು.
ಅದೇ
ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕವರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ದಿರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್
ಹಾಕುವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್.
ಎಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇವನೆಲ್ಲೋದ? ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
Okay, don't try to get onto the island because the more you reach close, the water will be shallow. Rocks पत्थर है उधर. ठीक है, follow our instructions and we will give you a briefing session. Okay, अच्छा से सुनो. We will teach you some skills. वो अच्छा से पानी में करो. ट्राई करने को ठीक है. Bro, only one thing. ठीक है भाई, वो ऐसा करो. ये क्या है ना? पानी में गिरेगा तो
ಗ್ರಿಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹತ್ರ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಅದು.
I'll give you a short briefing about scuba diving and some scuba diving instructions. Okay, so everyone listen carefully. Good. This is an aluminum tank. It has oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases. It's in a compressed form, like the air we used to breathe here. It's in a compressed form here.
ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಶಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಭಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗು, ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಅದೇ
ನಿಂದೆ ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫೋನ್, ನೀನು ಹೋಗ. ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಮಗನೇ.
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾ.
ಹೋಗು, ನಿಧಾನ ಹೋಗ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳು.
ಅವ್ರದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಅದು ಹಾಕೋದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ದೂರ ಹಾಕಿ
ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಅದೇ
ಬರ ನೋಡಿ
A few moments later.
How about you feeling?
It's very heavy.
Very? That's your first feeling? भारी है क्या? कोई ना जिम आ जाए कल से सही हो जाएगा. Crazy ಅನ್ಕೋ ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. तीनों के बाद में गुरु ना 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 How are you feeling, bro? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ಹಾಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಚ ವಿಡಿಯೋ just keep it with you. That person will come. Give it to someone else. ಹಾಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಬರ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ 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 ಕಾಲು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಡು, ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಮುಂದೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ?
ಮುನಿಯಾ
ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾ
ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ? ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ
ಬ್ರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೆಂತ?
ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್.
ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್. Yeah. So, Eleven attires. Done and yeah, we can see the fishes, right? See, there they are. So yeah, now we have exhausted. It's like we left the show somewhere around 3.5 hours back. Now we are leaving from here. I'll put the video which I get from the scuba team. Everyone are exhausted, so ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅಂತ. There are a bunch of other driving schools also, and we are leaving because we are the one first came here. So we are leaving now. So we are the only land, nothing else. Thing to be seen. ಈಗ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು is dried out, like literally it's hard. Sad.
I am in leave today.
The moment we came back to network area, we all are getting calls from office. I kept my phone in aeroplane mode. Others it was on. There was no network out there. Then right now we are getting calls from office. This guy is also getting calls. This guy is also getting calls. I didn't even on my net yet. Once I get back to show, I'll turn it on. Let's see.
Actually, ನಾನು ಲೀವಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ? ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸಾರಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್. ಸರಿ, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಹಾಂ, ಐರಾಕಾ? ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲೈನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ ಚಾಲು ನೀನು ಹೇಳತ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದಿದೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಂದವರು ಚೀಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಭಯಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
What is this behavior? Not acceptable. Not acceptable behaviors. आजा भाई, चलो. Okay, time illa. Finally we came back. ಸುಜನಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲೋದಾ? ಬಾ ಬಾ, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಟೈಮ್ It's all set. So we're back in our stay only. But the thing is, we already checked out, so we can't use our inside one. So there is one more bathroom here, so that we are using. So yeah, good trip. Now hopefully we'll try to catch a 2 o'clock train. Not sure, but that's our plan, because that will go to Central. Otherwise the next one, at the 3 o'clock one, will go to the junction, and from there again I have to go to Central. So let's see how it goes, and sure. We literally ran for our train. We had to collect our food, and it's almost like it's 2:10. It's time for this train to leave. जीत जीत हारू. After struggleful day, we are having biryani now. Few minutes away, bro. Like 5 minutes and we'll be in Central, but these people are. Yeah, we are back to base, and it's raining. So it's a good day. It's almost, what's the time? It's 6:13. So shalom guys, we reached Mangalore, and it's end of the vlog, like proper end of the vlog, and it's raining very hard. Bye bye.